The children are swinging.
The children are swinging.
Mom is folding laundry.
Mom is folding laundry.
Dad is fixing a broken toy.
Dad is fixing a broken toy.
The baby is crawling towards the ball.
The baby is crawling towards the ball.
The chef is seasoning the food.
The chef is seasoning the food.
The cat is chasing a butterfly.
The cat is chasing a butterfly.
The children are playing.
The children are playing.
Mom is sweeping the floor.
Mom is sweeping the floor.
Dad is painting the fence.
Dad is painting the fence.
The students are reciting a poem.
The students are reciting a poem.
The teacher is playing the guitar.
The teacher is playing the guitar.
The baby is clapping hands.
The baby is clapping hands.
The mechanic is changing a tire.
The mechanic is changing a tire.
The cat is drinking milk.
The cat is drinking milk.
The chef is flipping pancakes.
The chef is flipping pancakes.
Dad is planting vegetables in the garden.
Dad is planting vegetables in the garden.
The students are sharing crayons.
The students are sharing crayons.
The cat is licking its paw.
The cat is licking its paw.
The chef is grating cheese.
The chef is grating cheese.
The children are building a fort.
The children are building a fort.
Dad is fixing a bicycle.
Dad is fixing a bicycle.
Mom is knitting a scarf.
Mom is knitting a scarf.
Mom is painting the walls.
Mom is painting the walls.
Dad is fixing a door.
Dad is fixing a door.
The students are coloring pictures.
The students are coloring pictures.